Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to identify multiple users accessing the same record. Here I have Enzo who accessed the record first, so Enzo does not see any message. And then here on the other page I have Charlie who did access the same record as Enzo, but accessed a second time as a second. Enzo, in this case here, Charlie does see a message saying for Charlie to wait. Now, if Enzo here leave the message, goes to another account, before we will Acme. So now if we go to global media, um, Enzo is not going to see any message because there's no one there. And then after a few seconds, um, Charlie automatically is gonna see no message. So the message is gonna suppress. So Charlie then can change the record as he wants. So that's what we are going to see on this video. But we are going to do that for contact, because this is for account. So the goal here is to do for contact. Okay, so let's get started. Um, so the first thing you need to do is to install the EvoluteMessage. Once you have installed EvoluteMessage, you go to EvoluteMessage dashboard. Um, and then there you click on add message. You choose the type of message you want to display. In my case, I just want a toast message, and I will change that to be a warning as I had before, and that's gonna be also gonna the message should stick, should not disappear, and it's gonna be a line message. And let me just copy the text here, um, and paste here. So double click, paste the text, and that is contact multiple users for contact. Um, and once I have that, oops, I just need to do more configuration. So here I'm gonna auto refresh the message for every 5 seconds. So then I know if the user have left the page or not. So this would automatically get updated. And then you add a filter that I should show the message when a recorded page is locked. And the threshold here is going to be 10 seconds. So if the user just access the page 708, um, and then after 10 seconds, we do a refresh and it's 708 and 15 seconds, and we did a refresh. So the threshold is less than 10 seconds. We are going to display the message. We are going to consider that the user have left the message. So I would recommend leave 10 seconds. And then here you set for 5 seconds to refresh every time. So once you do that, you save. And then we can set the page. We can add the message into the contact page. So here I have one. So let me add that page. Let me remove this. Don't need this. So I don't have one here. So multiple users for contact. So to add the component, you just need to search for EVM and then drag and drop the advanced component here. And then you are going to be able to choose what is the message you want to display. Once you have done that, you click save. Um, and then if you leave now, so because I am also this work also with admin, because I am an admin, I am accessing here Sophia White. So if I go back to, in this case here with Enzo, and access a Sophia White, I should see the message already. So that's working. Because as an admin, you're still being a user that can change the record. So if I leave that, so let me go and click here on home and then just access another record here, and then go back on the with the users. So here I am as Enzo. The message should disappear soon, and did. So now if I access with Charlie White, uh, access the contact there, which is Sophia White. I should see the message as well. So basically that's it. So that's very simple setup. One thing I would like to mention is because we are using advanced message, so these two users here, they do have the evolute message permission set. So in order for you to use the advanced message, you do need the permission set. So if I go to the users, um, and I should see a permission set. So we do have three permission set. And because for those users, they do have the evolute message. So if you go to E, they have the internal evolute message, which give access to our objects. Um, Basically, that's the requirement to make that work. So the user does need the permission set because then we can create a record inside of our object to control that view. Um, I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us on our page. We do have a documentation here for that as well. So you can go documentation and identify multiple users. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to help. Thank you very much.